The first test of the inexpensive, affordable sickle bar mower for the skiddy did not go super well. It mowed for about 3 minutes. I might have said this already, I don't know. But now I'm seeing what the design flaw is. The back and forth aerator, which is this thing here, attaches to those two holes there with a bolt, and this was supported by nothing, kind of up like that. And I thought, well, there must be a reason there's that clearance in there, and then we have all that stress on that point that ultimately broke, but I can't figure out why. So I'm going to put a little spacer in there and drill the hole through that bottom bar. It'll make sense after I do it. And weld that a little bit and grind it smooth, because it's got to go underneath that slider, or modify that slider, and see if that will interfere with anything. There are 2 bolt holes in this thing, as you see, but the front one on this bar below gets into this rivet where this cutter tooth is, and I don't know if I want to modify that. Oh, that's out of focus. Don't know if I want to modify that mounting methodology. I'm not sure. 1 bolt back here should be adequate, I would think. We're going to give it a go, and this is one of the problems. There are other problems with this thing. This bushing assembly that's covered by the rag up here is quite sloppy. Not the end of the world. The other thing is, as you can see on the quick attach, that is a problem child. Probably put a piece of bar stock on each side of that with the holes in the right places, and that should rectify that sloppity. Not the end of the world. It's not like it's going to fall off. It's just annoying. So after several hours of re-engineering and welding, maybe this thing will work. The flow on this skiddy is, I don't know, 25 gallons a minute or something like that. I forgot. Somebody will correct me in the comments, I'm sure. Please do. It's way too much for this. At idle, this tilt cylinder heel is violently up and down. So a flow restrictor would solve that. But even at idle, this back and forth motion is way too fast. So probably a flow restrictor for the whole thing, which maybe would go a bidirectional one in line. Here's some, nope, those aren't it. These bottom ones, these are it. These are the incoming hydraulic fluid. This diverter valve diverts it via the solenoid to the tilt cylinder over here, or the back and forth part of the thing, which is over there, to that little hydraulic motor back there. And if I put it bidirectional one in here, whether it's flowing this way or this way, it should restrict the flow on both accounts, which would be fine. So I think an adjustable flow restrictor right there or there would be the cat's patootie on this one. So now I just got to pull this apart, see what kind of fittings this is going to require to make that work. And everything should be fine, question mark? I don't know. More to come on this.